bad neck problems.
You have a very bad neck problem.
I know.
There.
Yes, that's right where it is.
Relax your head this way.
I don't know how to relax.
Well, don't relax then.
Okay.
Stay nice and tight. Relax your head.
Oh my God.
Breathe.
Oh my God, what just happened?
Isn't that wonderful?
Now it hurts on this side.
That's why we're going to go right there. And just gently breathe in and relax. Keep that shoulder loose.
Oh my God. I love this.
Good. Now face down.
What just happened?
So good. Take a deep breath in and let it out. No tension in here at all, is there?
I have lots of problems.
How often are you getting adjusted? Every day?
No.
Breathe in. Hold your breath. Hold it. Good. Let it out. Right there. Lay on this right side. How often are you getting adjusted?
I don't know, a couple times.
Couple
Not
of
very
times
often.
a week?
I don't know, Katrina, how often? Whenever we can.
Yeah.
Which is not that often.
About twice a week.
What's your treatment plan? Do you have one?
No.
Relax. Drop that knee.
Oh!
Good.
My God.
Good. Other side.
This is amazing. What do I do? Where am I at right
Face
now?
me over here when you're ready. When you can move.
Okay.
Breathe in and let it out. Drop that knee way down. Good. All right.
Now what?
Now you're done.
That was awesome.